Guys, again welcome back to my channel Indian Bro Code. So today we will learn about uh, some of the basic SQL problem which I solved through this zero analyst community. So for getting a problem, I just need to write exclamation sign SQL and I get a new problem on SQL. So I just put it over here. So I got this problem. So what is the problem statement we have? Find the average amount spent per customer on purchases, including only customers who have made more than 3 purchases. So this is the problem statement which we have, and the topic which we covered in this question is grouping. Okay. So this is data which we have for creating a table customer purchases. There are two tables which we need to create, and after creating the table which we need to insert this data. So let me do it one by one. So for that I use PostgreSQL tool. So I opened already the PostgreSQL tool. So in this PostgreSQL tool, in this Rajesh database, I open the query tool. So this is the query tool which I have, and in this database I have to create those tables. So I just copy this SQL query from this Discord community. So I just copy. So I replace this table name with customers table with C, because it will be very easy for me to making things easy. So I create the table C, and after that I need to create table purchase. I will replace purchase with P. So I just copy this from here and paste it over here. So this is I replace this P purchase with P. So I just create the table. So the table is successfully created, and again what I need to do, I have to insert the data in the table. So I just copy this command and paste it over here, and the customers table replaced with C. I run this command. So command is successfully run, and for product table I have to insert the data. For I just copy this command, paste it over here, and just run this. So my table is created and all the data is inserted in the table. So let me see how exactly my table is look like. So select star from S, select star from C and P, select star from C, semicolon, close with semicolon, select star from P, star from P, close with semicolon. First we will run this first command. So this in this customer table we have customer name and customer ID. And when we talk about purchase table, so this is the purchase table in which we have customer ID and amount. So these are the things which we have. And when coming back to the problem statement, so I'll just copy the problem statement here and comment it out. So what is the problem statement? This is the problem statement which I need to copy over here. Yeah, what we need to do? Oh, find the average amount spent per customer on purchase. Okay, average amount spent per customer, including only customer who have made more than 3 transactions. So how can we do that? First we will try to know how many things we need to find out in this table, in this question. Average amount spent per customer. So what we need to do, we need customer name, amount, amount, and those customer who have more purchased more than 3 times. Okay, so let me try out this problem. How do I do that? Okay, 1 minute. So I need customer name. Select customer name. After that, what we need to, average amount spent on. So comma, average amount, average amount. There are two things which we need to find out. From which table? From C. And we need to join this table with what? product purchase table. So join P on which basis? What is the common link in between both these things? Customer ID. C dot customer ID equal to P dot customer ID and where where count of what? Where count of P dot customer ID is greater than 3, and after that I have to run this command. I think I have some. One more way we can solve this problem. After that, count of, yeah, one more thing. Group by customer name. Group by customer. Group by customer name. And try to run this command. Let me once again run this command. Yeah, so guys, I got the values. This is the average amount per customer where purchases is more than 3. So how do I do that? Where 3 count of P dot customer ID greater than 3. Let me see if the command is run or not. No, this is not running. One more thing, we can solve it. Here we need to add count of P dot customer ID. And then close it. And more than 3 for what we need to do, order by 3, limit order by 3 D B S C. So limit 2 and after that we need to run this command. And one more thing which I can do, I can round off with 2 or 1 digit round. This is the command which we use to round off the figure, which we can put over here. Let me see. So this is how it is. We solve this question thoroughly. So these are the customer which has the average amount. These are the customers for average amount where the purchases is more than 3. So this is how it is we solve the problem. So let me see my question which I solved is correct or not. So I need to submit this question answer here. So I think this is the wrong answer because the approach which I used is correct, but the question which the this tool is want is not up to the mark. So let me see what exactly the answer for this particular question. So I copy this command line, pasted over here. So reveal the answer. So this is how select c dot customer id, c dot customer name, average amount per pure customer average spend from join group by having. Okay, they use having. Okay. Instead of using where clause, we need to use having count. Okay, 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 okay. Got it. Let me do once again. Group by customer name. This is absolutely right. Having having count of need to do count of p dot customer id is greater than 3, and I have to close this command. Close this. Yeah, or we can say equal to. Yeah, more than 3. So this is it. So once again I will submit the command. What exactly the command I got? I think purchase id. Oh, so sorry. Purchase id. Purchase id. Purchase id. Let me once again put it over here. Submit. Actually, my question is expired. So guys, this is how it is. We need to approach the problem, and first we need to understand what exactly our table and what exactly the question wants from us. So these are things first we need to analyze, and after that we need to apply our approach. It is not necessary that you will get the correct answer every time, but the approach you are trying for the particular question is matter more. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day.